Good evening, this is the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. CWC Cala Holdings will now hold more than 91% of Cable and Wireless. The entity made the disclosure earlier today in an update on its offer to acquire all the shares of the telecoms operator. More than 3,000 shareholders responded to the offer. Payment for the shares started yesterday. Now, CWC Cala made an offer for the company in December last year with a view to taking the entity private. That has been the subject of a lawsuit, which, among other things, seeks to recover hundreds of millions of US dollars for ordinary shareholders. Digicel Group has unveiled a new structure and leaner management team as part of its 2030 Global Transformation Program. The telecoms company, which is now led by Alexander Matuska, unveiled a 4-member senior management team. The restructuring will also see the head of Digicel's 6 large markets reporting directly to the group's CEO. The company says with the right organizational structure in place, it is ready to get back to growth. The US dollar is selling for $127.20. The Canadian dollar is costing $98.50. The pound sterling is going for $178.91, while the euro costs $157.54. Jamaica has made a formal offer to buy back 49% shares in Petrojam, owned by the Venezuelan state-owned oil refinery PDVSA. Energy Minister Dr. Andrew Wheatley announced the move in a tweet earlier today. More than $35 billion has been allocated to repurchase the shares in the upcoming fiscal year. Jamaica has moved to buy back the shares following a fallout caused by US sanctions on oil-rich Venezuela. Now, the JSE index gained more than 961 points today, while the junior market index lost 20. 138 Student Living, Carib Cement, Elite Diagnostics, Express Catering, Jamaica Producers, Lasco Distributors, NCB Financial Group, Salada Foods, and Bisinco Group were among the winners. The losers included 1834 Investments, Berger Paints, Consolidated Bakeries, Honeybun, Jetcon, Lasco Financial, Pulse Investments, and VM Investments. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.